Today we're going to West Virginia to check out the Elk River Railroad. Here are some photos in Gassaway taken of the Elk River Railroad in April of 2016, photographs taken by Arnold Mooney. I visited Gassaway, West Virginia for the first time in January of 2020 and visited the Elk River Railway. In fact, I even photographed all 5 of the locomotives in their roster. It's funny, but one of the things I remember about this town is that on one of the main streets, the traffic signal would occasionally be both red and green at the same time, just for a moment. I returned to Gassaway in February of 2023 and found that things had changed quite a bit. I'm in Gassaway, West Virginia, and I'm standing on what used to be the train tracks. They're not here anymore. When I was there, you could see that work was being done. There was some fresh gravel that was put down, there was fresh concrete being poured, there was a brand new sign that was quite lovely, and you could tell by looking inside that they were also doing work there as well to make sure that this beautiful building stayed restored and useful for future generations. The structure was built in 1914 by the Coal and Coke Railway, and it was placed on the National Register of Historic Places in 1994 as the Gassaway Depot. It's sad to see another city lose its railroad, although it is good that the land is being used for a recreation trail. Like this and want to see more? Subscribe to see all the latest videos.